chicken wing dude is dying. Don't worry, Hermione. We'll find a way to sort this out, I promise. You ain't good at any promises, mate. You promised your parents that you'd survive and then you got them killed by Voldemort. You don't have to bring that up, Ron. Oh no, I can see the axe. I think they're going to kill him. They're really ridiculous. They're not nasties. I mean, I guess they are. At least Draco Malfoy nearly got murdered by a tremendous bird. That would always be a memory in my heart. Oh yeah, remember when Draco Malfoy nearly got killed by the bird? That chicken face couldn't survive 2 hours. Oh sure, I thought they were undercooked. They're giving me salmonella. No! Ah! Well, he's gone. Don't worry, Hermione. It'll be okay. Run. I'm always tired reading. When will this ever stop? It's okay, Hermione. Don't cry. Get away from her, she's mine. G is fine.